everyone. This is Kamishita from Kamishita's Corner and Sensational Touch, and I am here cutting my latest loaf of soap that I made. This one is the Citronella soap that I made about a couple of days ago, and so today I am cutting it. So hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel, Kamishita's Corner, the traveling spiritual soaper. And if you have already become a subscriber of my channel, I thank you. And I ask that you please, as you're watching, leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next. If you are not a subscriber, then please subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it would mean the world to me. Alright, so as I cut the soap today, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about some of the things that I have going on recently. We have decided, or I have decided, to do another beginner soap making class workshop. If you've ever wanted to learn how to make soap on your own, in the comfort of your own home, using the ingredients of your choice, you can. I am giving a beginner soap making workshop that will be Saturday, August the 29th at 12:30. It will be held in Brooklyn. The exact location will be given to those who register, and if you're interested, you can shoot me a direct message, leave me your email, and I will send you out an invoice and all of that good information. Excuse me. Yes. So I will send out all of that good information, and in the class you will learn how to stay safe while making soap, all of the do's and don'ts of soap making. You will learn how to use a soap calculator, how to formulate your own recipe, and how to make soap for pennies on the dollar. People think that soap making has to be expensive, but it doesn't. You can make a wonderful bar of soap using things that you find every day in your grocery store. Locally, everything doesn't have to be bought online. You can if you want to. You don't need expensive oils, although you can use exotic oils if you wish. It's all up to you. Look at this swirl. So if you remember, if you watched the making of the Citronella soap, I wanted to do an in the pot swirl, but that did not happen because the soap batter ended up getting kind of thick. So I ended up doing more like a drop swirl. So I kind of plopped everything in because it couldn't pour. The soap batter was way too thick to pour, so there were no pouring. Alright, so that is. And as you guys who already know, I always work by my window, and the window is open. This is Citronella. So Citronella is really good for keeping the bugs away. Okay, and a neighbor of mine asked me if I had Citronella soap. I had some Citronella body butter, but she wanted Citronella body butter as well as the Citronella soap. So I told her I would make some for her and for everyone else out there who is interested in having some Citronella soap. So since this is just freshly made, it is in what we call pre-sale. So if you wish to get this now, you can get it before it's fully cured, and you will get a nice little discount if you decide to do that. Okay, all of my pre-order soap sell at $1 off the online price. I'm loving the swirl that came out on this soap. Nice little drop swirl. This is the end piece. You can see the nice little swirl inside. Okay, I have 2 more slices to go, or 1 more slice. 2 more bars, but 1 slice. Yeah, so if you're interested in taking that class, please send me a message. You can put it in the comments. Just leave me your email and I'll send you a invoice, and you will, upon registration, receive information on where this class is going to be taking place, and all that good stuff. Now, this class is for people that are 18 years of age and older, because when you are making soap, you will be using a caustic material called lye. So, because we're using lye, I ask that I only do classes for adults, not for children. Children are not allowed to be in the class at the time that you will be making the soap. Okay? Alrighty. There it is. Citronella handmade soap. Great for this time of the year, keeping those bugs away. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that notifications bell so you'll be sure to be notified when I upload the next video. Leave a comment and share with your friends. I'll see you on the next video.